So here it is again, the Christian Louboutin men's stage boot in black patent leather. As we saw earlier in the ASMR unboxing, and I apologize if you were watching the unboxing and asking yourself, where's the boot? It's going all over the place. Here it is, front and center. I got the shoe again from the Christian Louboutin men's boutique on Washington Street here in New York. They did a really good job pulling this one for me from the, I guess it was the online boutique, because it was the only one in the country that had the 41.5. Pretty much this particular boot is sold out in North America. If your sales associate can get the shoe, it'll probably have to come from Europe, but that's a little bit more tricky since we are still in a global pandemic and things are kind of tough to transfer between country to country right now. I noticed that there was a significant kind of delay in getting the boot transferred from online to a physical location, so that may take some time as well. They're beautiful, and I just wanted something that was a bit more high fashion street style, I guess. A lot of the trends right now for boots, they're really going for a utilitarian kind of military look, and that's something that was like, oh, I was okay with, but then you see a lot of like the fast fashion companies, no shade, but already kind of trickle down, so that kind of shows how fast people can remake things, but I just wanted something that was a bit more unique. I think it takes a certain type of person to pull this particular boot off, so if you're looking for something with a little more pizzazz, glam, this is the boot for you. I just got them back from Minas Shoe Repair here in New York City, where they place the Casali red mirror soles over here in this area and then here on the back heel, because when the shoe hits the ground, I just didn't want the impact from all of the dirt and all the rocks to start scraping away at the original bottom sole, which is right here. So I just wanted to keep the shoe in pristine condition as possible for as long as I'm using it, since they were quite a bit of money to put into buying a boot. They did a really good job, so if you're here in the New York City area, definitely check them out. The mirror sole starts from here and really blends here at where the shoe starts to curve, and then I also have them put here. And here is also the original bottom to the heel. So it goes like this, and I had them swap it out too, because I knew that I would get super picky and kind of freak out of like, oh, I messed this part up. So it's better for me to just go ahead and protect this part and this part, so as long as I'm using it, I know that these can easily be replaced. But in theory, you could just repaint the whole shoe, the bottom of the shoe red again, but that's a bit more costly because you'd have to go in every time and like just paint it. So I recommend getting the Casali red mirror sole if you buy some Christian Louboutin boots or dress shoe that has kind of the painted bottom. So I also had this boot outfitted with the Taco footwear halter cushions that go here at the front of the shoe. They help your foot from slipping forward, and you get much more comfort out of them. And for me, since I don't wear heels or heeled shoes that much, it really helps me keep my balance and keep my grip so I'm not tripping or falling. And plus, with this high of a pitch, it does save you the pain. Some detailing that I like is that here in the zipper area is red. You can see that right there. So this area is a bit red. What I don't like so far is that I have to keep dusting it and wiping it off just to get the scuff marks off. But Minas Shoe Repair hooked me up with this product. It's the Esquire patent leather cleaner. She told me that they don't make this product anymore, but if you can find it, this really works wonders in cleaning the shoe. So all you would have to do is take old shirt or really soft cloth, put it on the boot. It'll get cloudy, but then you just have to like buff it out slowly. So definitely recommend buying this if you can find it. And also to maintain the suppleness of the leather, you can try this. She also gave me this. It's a leather cream. So here they are again, the men's Christian Louboutin men's platform boot. They're crazy, they're beautiful. If you want something fun, this is the shoe for you. Definitely check it out if you get your hands on them, because it's sold out online as far as I know in North America. If you call your Christian Louboutin boutique anywhere in the US, they might be able to still find a pair, but sizes are limited. So if you want the shoe, you have to be really serious about getting it, because sizes are rare. They don't make a lot of the sizes when they're on their first runs. And if you really, really wanted it, they're going to have to really pull some strings to get it transferred over from Europe. But that's how it goes to show you how fast this shoe is selling. There is also a similar pair like this, but instead it's just normal leather with a metallic silver finish with some stars on it. I was opting for that in the first place because I thought it was a little bit more fun, but I already have a similar pair that I bought 2 years ago, so I just feel like I didn't need that. This is something I feel like it's still fun, but I can incorporate it into many more looks because it's black, easy to match with, right? And I feel like it'll just go with a lot. If you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at HughesOfMan. Check it out. I'll see you guys later. Bye.